Hello to everyone! Happy Thursday! So now the friends of Sisi and the friends of Madam, so they spend here in Hadea. Oh, what's the name of that one? Okay. Last time we come here already, this one with the sister of Madam. So they are there on that side. Okay, so it's very nice. At the night, it's very nice because the light is too much. It's attractive, kumbaga. They are making attractive too much at the night. Like last time that I have already videos. So this one is here. Okay. So you see that one is from the outside, and this one is for the inside. Okay, so everybody can watch, and that one is centennial na yan. It's a long time ago na yan. It's the part of the history. Ayan yung mga madam ko at saka mga friends. Andoon naman yung mga children. And down nandoon pa in this side. Oh, so okay, I make it video so they enjoy muna just a minute. O diba, saan ko ba to ipak? Pak ko muna siya dyan saglit. Okay, hi, thank you again for watching. I go to the children. Nagbibidyo-video pa ako. Oh. Kinahanglan na muna maikot-ikot. Doon lang naman sila. Oh, diba? Oh. Ang ganda-ganda dito. Kumbaga vacation, weekends time pala. They just spend time, the family, the friends, or the another one. So look, the children. Just make it up. Hi! Ayan si Bila. Hello, Bila. Si Bila. Nag-enjoy. Oh, ayan yung mga nani. Oh, si Joanna. Oh, diba? They're just looking at me that I make a video, you see? So once again, thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, Bella. Uy, ma-pull down ka. Go there.